This is the completed, as far as I'm concerned, Matt Bevin throws pickles at children game. For those who haven't been following along, the concept of Matt Bevin throwing pickles at children came up one day while my mind was wandering. I started thinking about how Matt Bevin would be handling this pandemic versus how well Andy Bashir is handling things. Eventually, that train of thought led me to an image of a cartoonishly evil Bevin throwing popcorn at children locked in his basement while sitting in a comfy recliner laughing. It made me laugh, but I knew there should be a funnier food item. Eventually, it came down to a half-thawed hot dog or a pickle. Both were funny, but pickles ended up being funnier. I decided to make it a series of low-effort memes, something I could quickly make and share, such as a Matt Bevin selfie hoarding pickles instead of toilet paper. But eventually, I decided to put a little more effort into the memes, and I made a simple Bevin sprite that threw pickles. And it quickly snowballed into a 1-month game jam. I'm still a few days short of the deadline, but I think I'm ready to move on to something else, such as a different type of game, like a platformer, maintaining the current theme, or something entirely different. I would love to see this meme grow and see how others can be creative with this, or collaborate with friends on new projects. But I think that's mostly a pipe dream. There's still a lot of things that can be tweaked or just haven't been implemented, like generating levels with increasing difficulty. But I'm done with this project for now. Here's the final version of the game.
Pickle, children. Pickle. Pickle.
No!
Pickle.
No!
Pickle. Pickle.
No!
Not again!
No!
Pickle.
No! No!
Pickle. 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 Pickle.
No!
Pickle.
Not again! Not again! Not again!
Pickle.
No! No! No!
Pickle. Pickle.
No!
Pickle. Pickle. Pickle.
Not again!
Pickle.
Not again!
Pickle.
Not again!
Pickle.
No!
pickle,
Children.